20 more minutes into him all. 20 more minutes into him all.
So it is, what time is it? 9:14 and we're in the Union. Me and Christy. Christy forgot her laptop on the first day of class, so she's using mine. 9:15. And I literally had to skip my first class because I was 20 minutes late. And who walks in 20 minutes late, you know? Like, that's just awkward. Everyone would have been staring at me. So I decided not to go. Rain. Alright, sorry if you can hear my AC. It's fucking blasting because the bitch is hot. But I haven't really vlogged much my first week of classes, whatever. I mean, it's been pretty much the same thing every day. I have class in the morning, and then I have like a 3-hour break in between, and I'll go sit in the Union with my coworker, new bestie. Yeah, we'll just sit in there. I mean, it just depends. Like, we don't really have the same break today, but we have the same break like tomorrow, like exact same break. But today I got out. I went to psychology from 8:30 to 9:20. So I went to the Union, and then she came in like an hour later because she was in class, yeah. So, yeah. That, or I go see my friends in their apartment, which I haven't done after class. I think I did it like once, but I haven't done it. I think that was Monday though. Whew. My piercing keeps like sticking out. I don't know why it keeps. Now I'm about to go to LSU Reveille because that's LSU's student-run like newspaper magazine type deal. I got hired as a graphic designer, so that's pretty fun. But I went to my car because I'm parked by the stadium, and I'm gonna move my car closer. Walking around campus at almost 8 o'clock because I just got out of LSU Reveille. Literally edited shit for 6 hours. I didn't think it was gonna take me 6 hours. I really thought it was gonna take me like a couple, but no. I want to know where Hurricane vlog. We have 2 candles. Little bed for me. Mom and dad on the couch. Oh my god, you can't even see them. Little ghetto AC unit in the thing. Our freezer's inside. More candles over there. Yeti cooler over there. Cooper. Oh, here, right there. Hi, baby. So here's a clip of me just sculpting out my project that y'all saw me make a mock-up of earlier. You can see the mock-up like pop up every now and then in like the background. It's made out of like non-dryable clay, but this is plaster that's like dried out. If y'all even know what plaster is. The project was just supposed to be inspired by a song of your choosing, and then your sculpture was just reflecting that song and what like feelings it gives you and things like that. So I chose the song Check the Rhyme by A Tribe Called Quest, and my sculpture ended up looking like a little dancing person, which was not intentional. I don't even feel the writing. I know. Then I fell to the ground. I don't want to see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness. She said I love you till the day that I die. Maybe she's right, 'cause I don't want to feel like I'm not made. And to be honest, I don't even say what you say. Come on. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. Very hard choice, but the diamonds on my pinky need a gang of cool points. And the drop head make them drop. You ain't. Sideways party on Oh, because it's Suicide Squad.
Hold you in these arms tonight. I'm lucky to be me. You can see it in my face. Back when I fucked my shit up too many times, why would I let myself get down in the foot?
Or I did have my mask up for this resin shit. It's not the proper mask, I know that, but I have my resin mixed up. I have my bowl, my shrimp. Hurry up, because I literally have an exam for 1 and it's 12 and I still need to change and drive to campus and whatnot, and I don't have time to take my practice test again, so that's fun. I love having my life together. So I'm just gonna try to keep this really nice and short, but my project was based off of my culture, basically, I guess, and my grandpa. So obviously I am Vietnamese. This is like a bowl of pho, and the noodles are made out of wire that I spray painted white, and the shrimps are like what I made my molds of and like poured plaster for. I bought the bowl from an Asian grocery store. Yeah, so basically, when my grandpa passed away in February, I realized that I never learned how to speak Vietnamese. Well, not realized. Okay, I realized we never had like a real conversation because I never learned how to speak Vietnamese. So I wanted to include shrimp because he used to have a shrimping boat, and my dad used to have like memories of like messing around on the boat with his siblings and things like that. So it's a cool way to kind of involve me in this project and my grandpa and my dad. I have like a whole little like artist statement that I wrote out about this, but this is like the really shortened version of my project. A lot of people did like personal stories about like depression and like their own memorial pieces for a loved one who has passed away too. So my hands are covered in resin. I used gloves, but you know, took them off to clean. It got all over the dresser. I should have did this outside. There's obviously like no broth in there anymore, and I honestly think I'll need to do a second pour because this just looks not good. I don't know if it will be ready in time for my presentation tomorrow, honestly. And then it's because it spilled all through the bag right there, so that's why it ended up on the dresser. I didn't put a fucking tablecloth on the dresser like I should have, like a disposable plastic one. So yeah, I'm stressing. I'm gonna check on this whenever I get back home later tonight after work.
morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay.